What's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Huawei P20 Lite. This is my first phone with the actual notch on it. So I'm pretty excited to see if the notch is as bad as people think. I personally don't like the idea of the notch. I didn't like it when Apple announced the iPhone 10 with it, but you know, hey, what are you gonna do? So all smartphone manufacturers are sort of copying now, which I don't think is a cool trend. So let's go ahead. Here's the phone. Let's go ahead and put it to the side real quick and see what you get in the box. So you get a quick start guide. Nobody's gonna read. Another guide. So I believe this has USB-C. So it should be pretty good for a $300 phone. You also have the charger brick here. Pretty standard. And we have a pair of earbuds, which look bad, but we'll test it out and find out. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this guy out of the paper. Throw it to the side and see. So we have a bunch of specs in Spanish. 4 gigs of RAM. This is a 32 gigabyte model. 16 megapixel, 2 megapixel. I guess another 16 megapixel. 5.84 display. And we have some instructions on the back on how to put in the micro SIM. So a really nice looking color. Like, wow, that's a really awesome design. So let's go ahead and try to sign into this guy. Everything's in Spanish. And I'm going to sign to the Wi-Fi. Man, okay, this is not fast at all. Alright, so before you can even get into the phone, you have to put a fingerprint on here. You have to have security on here, apparently. So before they even let you in the phone, you have to download an app. So this setup process sucks. I'm not even gonna lie. It is long. It's a lot of sort of spammy. So I'm finally in the phone, as you can see, and you can see we got a lot of stuff, a lot of apps on here. So it's really smooth, really nice. It is really smooth. It's really nice. The notch on the top does not bother me as much as I thought it would. So I don't know. I have to test it out more. But everything's here. I believe this is running Android 8.0. Yeah. So alright, so that's pretty much it. I will do more videos on this phone. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.